So you want to delete your Instagram account? I got you. First of all, make sure that you have updated to the latest version of Instagram. Open the app and click on your profile icon, which is located at the lower right corner. After that, click on the three lines at the upper right corner. This will bring up a section where you will find the Settings and Privacy option. Click on Settings and Privacy, and there you will see an option named Account Center at the top. Click on that, and the Meta Account Center should pop up. Find the Personal Details option from there and click on it. There you will find an option named Account Ownership and Control. Click on it, and click on this one as well, and select your account. After that, you will be shown an option for deactivation or deletion. Since we are deleting our account, press the Delete Account option and hit Continue. They'll show you a bunch of options asking why you're deleting your account. You can choose your reason, or just click the option Something Else and press Continue. They'll ask you to re-enter your password for security, and after you've done that, you'll successfully delete your account.